Alright guys, this is going to be a quick video on how to replace the air filter on the new 2020 Nissan Versa. And I say quick because this will probably be the easiest air filter you ever have to change in your life. The only thing is, if you want to lift the lid up higher than you see in this video, unhook this clip here. Do not unplug the mass airflow sensor with the key on. It'll kick your engine light and you'll have to clear that. And you'll see on the right side of the box you have two clips. You just need to unclip those, and the top of the plastic box there will slide up and out. And in this portion of the video I did it one-handed. I was filming with the other hand. And if you notice on the back, there's two little tabs back there that hold the box in if it feels like it doesn't want to come up right away. And you just pull it up and pull it towards you and it'll pop right out. So here's another angle using two hands. There's the filter, and bam, just that easy. Now you'll see a little tab right there that faces the driver's side of the vehicle. And to tell you the truth, I'm really stretching this video out, because if you just take it out and put it back in, the whole process takes about 15 seconds. So after you get the lid on, you just want to snap it, and that's it, it's done. Now I'm going to show the tabs again, because this is very important. You want to get those tabs underneath the locks and then snap these two clips. And there it is, guys. Replacing the air filter in the new Versa. Till next time, peace.